Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. This maths lesson is going to be looking at comparing money. So we're going to be looking at using the signs of greater than or less than or equal to, just like we have been doing earlier on this year, looking at different amounts. But before we do that, let's have a look at our warm-up. So you are looking at these two amounts here and deciding if they have the same value. Same for these two. Same for these two. What I would do is I would look at that total and I would write the total there on top. So then you can decide if they're the same or different. Can you do that now, please?